What's up, guys? Casey here, Chop Shop Automotive, doing another video. Quick how-to. We're doing inner and outer tie rod ends today on a 04 Tundra. Just want to show what you'll need. Quick little video of this tie rod we got that is way bad, real quick, and see what we're up to on a lovely Saturday. So, a couple things you'll need. First off, you will need when I looked this up, it said it was a 21 millimeter for the nut. This particular one was a 19, so you'll either need a 19 or a 21 millimeter. And let's see, some wrenches to jam the nut and the outer together. So there is a tool for this. I didn't use it. I couldn't find one. I thought they had a rental tool, but they don't. So these big pliers worked for me to get it off right here on the end where it goes into the steering rack. It was on there pretty tight. I don't remember exactly what the spec is. I'll have to look that up. But I was able to get it off with that, so no issues there. You won't need -8 AN fuel filter line to an air motive pump. You don't need that to do this. The boot was trash on here, so we got a new one for him. The part number on that, MH05007. It's part number for that. I think it was $45 or something at O'Reilly's. EV800444. I think that's your outer. I'm pretty sure. And then the other one, ES8382. The other part number you'll need. Can't really see it because I got the boot on there, but make sure you get that piece in there because you'll have to peen that over once you tighten this in. But yeah, what you're gonna do, I'll go under there in a second, show y'all how we got this off here. But you're gonna want to get these the same length because it's gonna mess with your alignment. You're gonna have to get an alignment after this anyway, but get it as close as you can. I measured from, kind of got this as close as I could, just straight up from the middle of here to the outside right there, and just measured it and set the new one as close as I could, and you'll be alright. Just take it and get it aligned, no issues. Came with some grease. It did not come with a castle nut, which I don't like reusing the one, but it is what it is. I do have an extra cotter pin to throw in there. It didn't come with a cotter pin either. Those are kind of important parts of this. But once you get this on, the torque spec on the nut, my computer died here. Yeah, it did. But the torque spec is 67 foot-pounds, and it should align with the cutouts in the castle nut. If not, you can do it just a little tighter, and it'll be alright. But I'll get up under there and show you what we did with these guys real quick. This is the other side. So this one is obviously looks pretty good. The boot isn't torn and everything, so this boot is though, so I'm gonna ask them if they want to put another boot on there or not. It's not as bad as the other one, but it is loose. It's starting to crack right here. But right there is where you're gonna have to break this off of your steering rack with the pliers, and that's all you need those for. And then you'll undo the castle nut over there, obviously. But that's really all there is to it. Nothing crazy. You can just take it and get in line. Yeah, this was freaking tore. I got up under here looking at it and I was like, I at least need a boot. This one feels solid. I took the nut off and moved it around. It feels solid, so I'm gonna tell them that one's definitely good. But the other one, I'll show you. This one is not. I mean, look at how easy that thing moves. That thing is toast. It is way bad. The other one, it's solid. You can't. I can't move it with one hand and hold the camera. There's no way. Outer solid. This one is a little loose. Definitely easier than that one, so would have needed that one pretty soon anyway. But got a new one in there anyway. New boot. The boot didn't come with the clamps right here, which really sucks, especially on this side where it's pretty big. But I got some hose clamps. I'm just gonna run some hose clamps around that, and I don't know if I have one big enough for this, but we'll figure something to get it secured on there. But yeah, that's about all there is to it. Nothing too crazy. A couple tools you'll need, and part numbers. I got this stuff. They got this from O'Reilly's. I went and picked up the boot. But yeah, that's gonna do it for our Saturday. I think anyway. No telling what else might pop up, but just a quick little video, go over what we're doing and everything. And yeah, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna have a couple new videos coming up pretty soon, and I'm trying to fix the charging on my computer so I can do some more uploads. I'm having issues with it, but we're gonna do the Camaro review. I promise it's gonna happen. I'm gonna have some more product spotlights, some other oils that I'm gonna use on European cars. I got some people wanting some work on there, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'd like to use for that. Hopefully the fuel system on the Cummins pretty soon. And yeah, that'll do it, guys. Take care. Enjoy the weekend.